Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
All right, so over the next few days, what we're going to do is we wanted to give you some undeniable video proof, and we opened a brand new ClickBank account just to prove to you guys that this technology and strategy is here. And this is the time and date, just so you guys know. Today is the time is right here, and the date is Saturday 11th. So Saturday 11th, and what we're going to do is we're going to go in and show you that this, this strategy and this technology that you're about to invest in is so powerful to make your bank account swell up. Look right here. I mean, this is crazy. We just started a brand new account, $138.56. I mean, that's huge. And, one of the biggest side benefits of this is the fact that, when you start doing this, your friends and family are going to finally believe in you and cheer you on as you make more money. And so what we're going to do is we're going to log back in here shortly. But, we don't want to do this to impress you, but we want to do this to impress upon you that you finally found something that works. And this works. So we're going to log back in here in a sec, and I'll show you some more. All right, well, welcome back. We're going to go look at today's date. And again, what we're going to show you is, all right, getting back to today's date, we're going to show you that. But again, this is undeniable documented proof. I mean, this works. Yesterday we showed you doing this exact thing you're about to learn. When you download this, you're going to, we made what, $138 proving this. Okay, so today is Sunday, December 12th. So it's the next day. The first day we brought $138. I hope you're sitting on the edge of your seat, because let's log in right now and let's see what exactly happens and what's going to happen here. All right, so like you see right here, it's brand new. Holy crap! Oh my gosh! So yesterday you saw $138. I guess overnight it brought in another $603. Holy mackerel! Because we haven't logged into this since there. Holy crap! This is pretty cool. And then on top of that, it brought in another $7,407.33. This thing is freaking awesome. I didn't actually think it was going to do so hot, quite honestly, especially with the $138 yesterday. I was kind of sitting there like, oh my God, whatever. But that's pretty impressive. Anyway, this is huge. And so anyway, we're going to log back in here tomorrow and see exactly what happens. All right, we're going to log back in here and see what happened since yesterday. I think yesterday we made a few grand. Okay, but before we go, let's go get today's date. All right, today's date is Monday, December 13th. All right, and let's log in. Then I think, holy crap, oh my gosh. Yeah, so this thing was going a lot better than I was thinking. That's freaking awesome. Look right here, and then I'm just looking at yesterday. Look at today, $589.15. Yesterday ended up being even higher, $7,512. So anyway, we'll come back in here, and that's huge. We'll come back in here tomorrow and check what happens again. All right, so yesterday we went and looked into it. I was really impressed what happened yesterday. It kind of blew my expectations, and so that's awesome. And that's kind of what we wanted. When you get inside, then you start implementing this. I think it's just going to blow your mind, the power in this. But anyway, today is Tuesday, December 14th. So that's Tuesday, December 14th. Let's go back in here and let's log in to the account. So we're going to log in right now. Log in, and let's go ahead and do that. And see, wow, another couple grand. What did we bring in today? $2,931.55. It's not a bad day. Not a bad day at all. Look at this thing. Just bam, and the thing just started moving. You see 603 all the way there. It's huge. Over $17,000 in this account. Actually, over $17,000 in this account. And just 1, 2, 3, 4 days. All right, guys. Let's get back here. It's been a day since I've talked to you, but anyway. But let me go ahead and here. Let's go before we get into this account, let's go to today's date. All right. So we're gonna go to today's date. Now log in. All right. I get this. Okay. Wednesday, December 15th. So it's Wednesday, December 15th. Let's go in here and log into the account. All right. So look, we started off the week with today we're at $2,749.50. Not too bad to start off a week. I know some people don't even make that in a week. We did that in the first day, and this is amazing because look at this. I mean, 17,835 for the whole. For the whole week of last week, just starting it off a little late, but you know what? This is awesome. So now we're starting off the week with that. We did over $17,000 there. So anyway, let's go ahead and shut this down, and I'll talk to you. Okay, guys, back again. So what it basically just let you guys know a few things. You know, many of you guys, we're showing you a lot of cool stuff. I got one more to go, but I want to go over today and show you what happens today in this account and from here. So go ahead and log in. Before we do that, let's get today's date again. One more quick time. Well, actually, we got tomorrow too, and then let's see here. Today's Thursday, December 16th, and so you see Thursday, December 16th, and we're going to go ahead and get the count and make things happen. You know, the secret to my success is always, and I've always said it's, following the piles of cash. Like he who's got a bigger pile of cash than me, then I follow them. And, that's something to think about. I'm going to keep on going in here. All right. Now let's look at that. Another $3,982.96. Not too bad. Look at this. For the week, we're at $7,647. I mean, that's not too bad there. You look at the last week, we did over $17,000. This is shaping out to be a great week here, and it just shows the power of that. And that's one thing I was saying is just with that is, you follow the piles of cash, and here we go. This stuff really, really works. You can see right here, and I'm looking forward to you guys, getting on the inside. All right. Well, we're in the final home stretch. It's the last day. And I would just tell you guys, as you've been watching this, I bet you've mentally decided to get this. What we want to do is we want to go here, I don't want to log in. I want to go get the date. So let's go show you the date. And like I said, I want to congratulate you for making a mental decision. Today's Friday, December 17th. Let's see here. Let's log in. Well, there we go. Right there, scroll down just a little bit. $659 for the day. Not too bad. We still got a lot of time to finish out the day. Look at that one yesterday just popped up too. Finished out the week pretty strong. Last week, $17,000. We still got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We still got about 5 days left. So anyway, I'm going to log out of here. Thank you guys. I can't wait to see your bank account and ClickBank account grow.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.